Hi there. Let's make my experimental carrot cake low FODMAP. Remember, it's experimental, but it turned out quite okay. You will also see how I create recipes. At first I write down and weight ingredients. 100 grams of starch, 50 grams of rice flour, 50 grams of potato flakes, 30 grams of seitan, 5 grams of baking powder, 2 grams of ginger, 2 grams of cardamom, 1 gram of allspice, 5 grams of stevia, 5 grams of vanilla sugar. For eggs, 100 grams of oil, a few drops of rum flavor essence. I added 400 grams of shredded carrot. I'm slowly adding 200 grams of water. The consistency is okay. (150°C). Put the cake in immediately and let it bake when the temperature rises. When it's 150 degrees, bake it for 30 minutes. Next, set temperature to 175 degrees and bake it for 1 hour. It's done. Let it cool. Fluffy and moisten. Thanks for watching.